This is how it will look like when assembled. Hi, welcome to another episode of Box TV. Today we will unbox and assemble IKEA Latt children table and chairs. So let's do it. But before that, please consider subscribing if you find this video helpful. This is the packaging with dimension of 48 cm width, 7 cm height, 66 cm length, and a weight of 6.39 kg. Material is base material solid pine. Tabletop seat is made of fiberboard and foil. Let's open it. Here's the assembly instructions. Protection sheet, table and chair parts, and the accessories. Make sure that all the parts and accessories are complete before you start assembling. Let's start with the table first. Insert a wood dowel on this hole. Then insert on both sides. Make sure that it's aligned to the tabletop insert. Slide gently the tabletop and adjust it accordingly. We can fix the screw first, but don't tighten it too much. Position the hole where you will insert the screw. Hold it with the screwdriver while tightening it with the Allen key provided. It will look like this. Now we can put the final part. Again, insert the wood dowel on both sides. Position it. And press gently. Install the final screw and tighten everything. This is how the table looks. Now let's assemble the chairs. It's the same process as the table. Insert the wood dowel. Make sure it's aligned. Fix the screws. And insert the seat chair gently. Now put the final part of the chair. Tighten all the screws. This is how it will look like when assembled. If you like this video, please do consider subscribing for more IKEA products, review, unboxing, and assemble. Until the next one, goodbye!